Hello, my name is Nimade Cynthia Indrayani with student ID number 221202127 and I'm from 4A class. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to present about the introduction part, namely the research background and also the literature review on my research. The topic that I raised from this research is about classroom management strategy that focuses on U-shaped seating arrangement. From this topic, the title that I raised in this research is Students' Perception of U-shaped Seating Arrangement and its Effect with Students' Learning Motivation. That's the title of my research. And now let's continue with the next discussion about the research background. As a researcher, I will explain the context and basis for investigating the topic or problem that I have chosen in this section. This section will also include information about previous research that has been conducted in the same field, the gap, the novelty of the research, as well as the purpose of this research. Thus, the outline of my research background is as follows. Motivation refers to when someone is moved to do something. Daniel Goleman, 2004, explains that 20% of one's success comes from intellectual intelligence, while 80% is obtained from emotional quotient factors, including providing motivation to oneself. This is what then causes student motivation play an important role in the success of teaching and learning activities in education, where motivation is seen as a non-intellectual factor that plays an important role. In creating a competent young generation, the education system needs to pay attention to student learning motivation because students with low motivation tend to face difficulties in efficient learning, while research by Alik R. and Arabi M. 2021 shows that students with high motivation tend to achieve better in the learning process. One approach that can be used to increase student learning motivation is through the arrangement of seating arrangement in the classroom. This is in line with previous research conducted by Fadilah 2015, which shows that student seating arrangement that have been adjusted to the needs can increase the interest and also motivation of elementary school students to learn. However, previous studies have not specifically discussed how the effect of U-shaped seating arrangement on students' learning motivation during the learning process in class and how the students' perception of U-shaped seating arrangement during the learning process. Therefore, considering student perception and student motivation have an important role in determining the success of learning activities, the researcher wants to investigate how student perception of the U-shaped seating arrangement and examine its effect on students' learning motivation. This study focuses on the perception of fourth semester students of English education, Ganesha University of Education, regarding the use of the U-shaped seating arrangement and the effect of this arrangement on their learning motivation during the learning process in the classroom. Thus, this study aims to investigate whether there is any significant effect between the U-shaped seating arrangement and the learning motivation, and also to identify the perception of fourth semester students in English Education Study Program, Ganesha University of Education, towards the implementation of U-shaped seating arrangement during the learning process. Okay, so that's a little overview of my research background. Next is the literature review. The literature review section provides a comprehensive overview of previous research that is relevant to the topic of this research. This section has two subchapters, namely theoretical review and empirical review. And now let's talk one by one. The first section is theoretical review. This section focuses on understanding existing theories and concepts to understand the phenomenon being studied. This theoretical review is then further divided into several subsections, including the first one is about students' learning motivation. So, students' learning motivation is an internal drive that affects the level of desire, perseverance, and involvement of students in a learning process. The second section will be talk about the concept of seating arrangement, where seating arrangement refers to the arrangement of sitting in a classroom or other learning environment that determines how students or meeting participants are placed in relation to each other and to the teacher or meeting leader. According to Harmer, 2010, there are three types of seating arrangement, namely rows, circles, and U-shape. Since this research focuses on the U-shape seating arrangement, so in the third section, the researcher explains the theory or concept of the U-shape seating arrangement. So, U-shape seating arrangement is a seating arrangement where tables and chairs are arranged in the shape of the letter U. Harmer 2007 explains that in the U-shape seating arrangement, the teacher is positioned at the open end of the arrangement, and Hilal 2014 adds that this arrangement is suitable for stimulating interaction within the classroom. Furthermore, because this research also aims to explore student perception, the next subsection in this theoretical review discuss the concept of perception itself. According to Walgito 2010, perception refers to a final psychological process of awareness that subsequently leads to the formation of thought processes. So that's about theoretical review, and now let's talk about the empirical review. So in this section, researchers compile and analyze findings from previous studies that relevant to topic to gain a deeper understanding of the phenomenon under study. So the empirical review is previous research indicates that the U-shape seating arrangement has several benefits. Studies conducted by Esti Aminah, Syam, and Anugrawati 2021 and Tafahomi 2023 found that the U-shape seating arrangement has a positive impact on student participation and interaction in learning. Besides that benefit, research by Munir M. 2022 highlight that the U-shape seating arrangement also has a positive impact on students' learning focus. Furthermore, studies conducted by Paras Gita Chandrasiwi and Patricia Angelina 2020, Ibiloye Abiodun Christian 2021, and Imadewidan Pranena 2022 found similar results, indicating that the U-shape seating arrangement significantly benefits in building positive interaction between teacher and students during the learning process, thus contributing to overall classroom participation improvement. Despite its proven benefits, there are some findings that suggesting negative aspects that need attention. Based on research conducted by Tafahomi 2023, half of the study participants reported various disruptive behaviors when the U-shape seating arrangement was implemented. This research also explained that a more serious impact of this arrangement is the emergence of unethical students' behaviors. Esti Aminah, Syam, and Anugrawati 2021 and Imadewidan Pranena 2022 found that the implementation of this seating arrangement makes students in the class more passive during learning process due to more frequent direct confrontation with the teacher in this arrangement. Furthermore, a study by Ibiloye Abiodun Christian in 2021 provides additional information explaining that the U-shape seating arrangement can hinder small group discussions. Disadvantages of the U-shape seating arrangement were also found in the research conducted by Ali Takida and Arabi Malika in 2021, which explained that the disadvantage of this type of seating arrangement include the need for more space compared to other configurations. The advantages and disadvantages of implementing the U-shape seating arrangement have from several studies such as those by Simons et al. 2015 and Ibiloye Abiodun Christian 2021 to highlight the importance of selecting a seating arrangement that suits the needs of the learning process in the classroom in order to mitigate issues that arise in the classroom and create a good and effective learning experience for students. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you, goodbye, and have a nice day.